This simple illustration gives you an idea of how a site or app is structured in Hammerkit. A master template you apply when you want to create a unified look or embed functionality throughout the whole site. It's like the concrete foundation that you lay when constructing a building. Component templates are used to determine a look of a designated part of your website or service. If the master template was like the foundation of the building, component templates are the floors. Each floor can have a different look and feel, but they stand on the same foundation. Components are the building blocks used in Hammerkit for creating websites and services. They are pieces of content that are linked together on a template. Components are like rooms in the building. Elements are the parts that the components are made of. You simply drag, drop, and organize them on the canvas to create your own components. Elements are the walls, doors, and windows of the building. Let's now take a look at the component editor and how we actually create the various templates and components. First, we'll create a new master template by clicking on the plus sign in the corner here. We set the component type to template and simply click on the checkbox to define it as the master template for the site. You may return back to the settings box anytime by clicking the eye symbol. Here we can also see that this one now is the master template. Note that it cannot be changed to another type unless you create a new master template. Let's then create a component template. Here we repeat the process as before for the master template all the way until where we define the type of the template. This time we don't want to use it as a master template, but instead we set it as default template. This means that unless specified otherwise, all content components will automatically be using this template. You may also leave the selection blank and choose neither of the options. Next, we'll create a couple of content components. Click on the plus sign and define the title and type. The type in this case is not a template, but a content component. Below you can select the template you wish the component to use. It can either be the default template, which in this example is the content template we just created, some other custom-made template, no template at all, or just a master template. You may also opt to use the master template alongside with the default template we just picked. HTML skeleton adds metadata in the source code of your site. You may also go on defining a number of other settings, but at this point these selections are adequate. We create a second content component similarly. To illustrate the hierarchy of the site structure, we can position the different parts under their respective parent folders. For more tips and tricks on how to use Hammerkit, go to support.hammerkit.com.